in day-to-day life. Good evening all, I am Sriram from Computer Science Department, here welcoming you all for the guest lecture on Discrete Maths from the Department of Mathematics for second year students. I now welcome Dr. V. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor of Department of Mathematics, to render the welcome address.
Thank you, Sriram. A delight evening to one and all present here. Mathematics is indispensable as an intellectual technique. In many subjects, to think of all is to think like a mathematics, as Robert says. Welcome to a warm note that strengthens the rhythm of every time of our life. May I take the privilege to welcome our head of the department, Dr.S.Chitra, the biggest support, a friend who initiates effective working always. Welcome you, ma'am. It's great pleasure to welcome our coordinators, Mr. L.Mohan and Mr. Ms.B.Vasuki, ma'am. I deem it a pride to welcome our chief guest of today's evening, Dr.I.Paulraj Jayasimman, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Academy of Maritime Education and Training, AMET, deemed to be University, Chennai, as a chief guest for our today's guest lecture, Discrete Mathematics. Welcome you, sir. I extend my warm welcome to my fellow colleagues and special welcome to second year Computer Science Engineering, Cyber Security, Information Technology, Artificial Intelligence and Data Science students for this guest lecture. Once again, I welcome you all for this event. Thank you. Over to Sriram.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I welcome Mr. L.Mohan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, to give us an introduction about our chief guest.
Thank you, Sriram. Good evening to one and all present here. It is my great pleasure to introduce our guest speaker, Dr.I.Paulraj Jayasimman, Associate Professor, AMET University, Chennai. He has completed his undergraduate and postgraduate degree at Bharidasan University, Tiruchirappalli. He also done his PhD degree at the same university, the 2017. He has totally 11 years of teaching experience in various colleges and universities in Chennai. Currently, he is working as an associate professor at AMET University, Chennai. He has participated many faculty development program conducted by NITT and MHRD. He is received Best Young Faculty Award from DK International Research Foundation at the year of 2018. Best Educator Award from Thinkers Punjab at the year of 2019. And Best Academician Award from Scholars Academic and Scientific Society, Assam at the year of 2020. He is a lifetime member of various associations and societies. He also published a book titled Graph Theory for Engineers and Engineering Applications. He is supervising 3 PhD scholars at AMET University, and he has published more than 35 papers in both national and international journals. That's all. Thank you. Over to Sriram.
Thank you, sir. With no further delay, I welcome our chief guest, Dr. I.Paulraj Jayasimman, to give us the lecture on Discrete Mathematics.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good evening to one and all present here. I would like to thank the organizers team and the management for giving this opportunity to share my knowledge in Discrete Mathematics. Now I'll share my screen. So in this lecture, you can very well interact with me. I would like to interact with you. So I'll ask some questions during the sessions. if you know any answers, you can very well interact. If you have any queries, you can don't hesitate. You can ask me during the lecture hour. Yes, in the discrete mathematics, we very well know it is one of the subject for the computer engineering program and IT program. So the discrete mathematics is nowadays is one of the very important subject to handle the machine learning and artificial intelligence, like a data science. For that, many programs, this discrete mathematics plays a important role. So before that, before to see the discrete mathematics in a mathematics, so we very well know mathematics as a very wide applications in all the field, not only engineering field, in all the field. So especially in the engineering field, it has a very important role for the application engineering application sites. So before that, we should know what is discrete mathematics, what is discrete and continuous. So we very well know, I hope you had what is continuous and what is discrete. So already you may studied in your higher secondaries, the continuous case and discrete case. Now, yeah, a few minutes. First, we see with a few example what is discrete and what is continuous. So we should understand what is the continuous, what is discrete before going to the subject. We should know that the concept. So generally with the number, so generally we uh, take that the continuous between the two numbers. Suppose if you write in the interval, whether my board is visible?
Yes, sir. It is visible.
Yeah, yes, thank you.
The
Thank
color chalk is
you.
white. You
Yes,
have.
yes, thank you. So now suppose,
Yes, sir.
yeah, thank you. So suppose now we'll take the numbers between the 1 and 2, okay, or 1 and 3. Suppose if you take the numbers between 1 and 3. How many numbers are there between 1 and 3? Can you, anyone? How many numbers are there between 1 and 3? Okay. So in this, suppose if I take the number between 1 and 3, there are infinite numbers between 1 and 3. So, okay. Before that, what is the next number of 0? The next number of 0, can you say what is the next number of 0? What is the next number of 0? Can you, anyone?
0.000001, sir.
Yes. It is the number 0.00000. We can put infinite number of 0, then 1. So here we cannot say that what is the next number of 0, because we can put the infinite number of zeros before the 1. So suppose, then think of it. If you count like that, how many numbers between the 1 and 3? There are infinite numbers between 1 and 3 if you take in the interval between 1 and 3. If you take as an interval, there are infinite numbers. Here I will take 1 and then next 1 point, the next number. Suppose if I take 0, 0 to 3. In case I will take 0 to 3, yes. In this I will take the number without the discontinuity. I will take all the numbers between 0 and 3. So I'll take 0, the next number 0 0.0, then 1. It goes up to 3. Okay. So in this case, there are infinite numbers. So we take this as a continuous. Okay. It is a continuous case. In the discrete case, how we'll take the number between 1 and 3 in the discrete case. In the discrete, suppose if you take the number 1, then next to 2, then next to 3. So you see here how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. There are the 3 numbers between 1 to 3. So how we take this? First we take the number 1, then straight away jump on to the number 2, then we jump on to the number 3. We are not consider the numbers between the two numbers 1 and 2 or 2 and 3. So it is the discrete case. But discrete case, with the discontinuity, there is a discontinuity between the numbers. We'll take only the particular numbers 1, then 2, then 3. We are not consider what are the numbers are between 1 and 2 for the discrete case. So we are not consider that numbers. What are all the numbers are there are between 1 and 2 or 2 and 3. We will take only 1, then 2, then 3. So we can put up to, we can take up to infinity. So this is the continuous and discrete case. In the discrete case, we are handling the particular numbers or particular objects. Okay. So with the discontinuity, okay, or without continuous, we are not in the whole discrete mathematics. We are not taking the continuous. We are taking only the discrete numbers, discrete objects. We are dealing the discrete cases, right? Okay, so this is the discrete and uh, continuous. Okay, so in generally in mathematics, so many of them think of it. Those who are very well in mathematics, they have the very smart brain. Okay, so many of them think like that only. Suppose anybody got the good score in mathematics, some of them may be poor in the uh, mathematics. They think, okay, those who got the very good mark, so they have very smart brain, so they are very well solve the all mathematic problems. It is not like that. So it is mathematics. Uh, we can solve easily by the practice. Okay. So it is very easy subject. So when you understand the concept, it is a very easy. If you understand the concept, it is very much helpful to apply all the application fields. Okay. So in many of them, they are not understand the concept. So some of them will focus on only the solving technique. Okay, right. But the very much important, the concepts are very much important. What is the concept behind that? So that is the thing we have to learn that thing. So that is very much helpful to apply in all the application fields in the engineering. So suppose in one case, I'll ask one questions according to you. Who's that one person who has the smartest brain in the world? So I will show this two person. Can you guess who has the smartest brain? There is Isaac Newton or Albert Einstein. in this two scientists, who has the smartest brain? So there is no smartest brain or not smart brain. Nothing is there. Okay. Scientifically, every human being has the same brain. Okay. So how we can improve the IQ power and uh, problem solving skills by practice? Okay. So if you practice more problems, we can automatically we can learn the solving skills. Okay. So there is no smartest brain or anybody have the smartest brain. Nothing is there. Every human being has the same brain only. Okay, now here I'll give one question. It is a brain teaser. So which tank will be full first? Can you guess anyone in this picture? Which tank fill first? There are four options are given. Can you guess?
D options.
Option D. Okay. Any other answer?
C.
C. Yeah, good. Any other answer?
Sir, option D, sir, 3 and 4.
3 and 4. Okay. Oh, we will check. We'll expect any other. I will expect more answers from your sides. So all of you can try. Whether if it is right or wrong, you don't worry. We have
And
to try
answer B,
first.
sir. Actually, answer B.
B.
Yes.
Yes, okay. A, B. A, B. Yeah? Am I
B,
right?
B, 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 B. Yes. First,
Yeah,
second
yeah.
one.
Yes.
Third tank.
Okay, okay, right. Good, good. Very good. So the important thing is you don't worry about the answer. Okay. We have to try. That is the matter. Okay. So suppose if the answers arise, suppose if we get the wrong answer, you don't worry. Next you try to get the correct answer. So that's all. Okay. No one knows all the things. Okay. So everyone learning. It is a right. So one said the answer D, another one said the answer C, another one said the answer B. Okay, we'll see which is the correct answer. See, this is the step. We have the correct answer is D, 3 and 4. Okay. See, when start the first tank, when it reaches this nozzle, automatically then it flows to the second tank. Okay. After reaching this level, it start to flow in the third tank. Okay. So after reaching this nozzle, after reaching this, each and every drop in the third tank, it rise. Okay. It rise in this line. Okay. Then after that, it start to fill the fourth tank. So after each and every drop, we get the same level. Okay. So this the answer is third and fourth is to fill the first. It is the logical thinking. Okay. So many of the problems we can get the answer through the logic. Okay. So and also it is very much important for the competitive exams. Suppose if you are trying to attend the gate exam, so other exams, this logical thinking is very important. So the discrete mathematics concept has a important role in the competitive exams, like a permutation combination concepts. Okay, there are many concepts will apply in we can it is very much important for the competitive exams. Okay. Yes, those who said the answer 3 and 4 correct. Those who are attempt the questions very good. I congratulate all of them. those who attend this problem and those who said the correct answer. Yeah, very good. Well, try. It's very good, very good. I congratulate all. Okay. Now, okay, now we'll go to the topic permutation and combinations. Okay, here in this lecture, I will teach the some concept which are very much helpful for the competitive exams. Okay, so this you know very well, and the discrete mathematics, it's one of the concept permutation and combinations. Yeah, this already it is there in the your school subject, school mathematics. I hope you may studied in the 10th standard and 11th standard. Okay, so what is the permutation? Permutation are the different arrangements of a given number of things by taking some or all at a time. Okay, so here I have given some examples and definitions. What is the combinations? Combination each of a different groups or selection formed by taking some or all of a number of objects is called a combinations. I hope you all very well know the permutation combination concept. In this, we will solve the few problems. We'll see the few problems. Okay, we will discuss the problem. So how to solve that problems, how to attend the problem. Okay, so before that, I will ask one questions. Uh, it is also a different question. Before going to the this concept, I will ask one question. You try, just you try. Okay, what is the answer? Here it is very much easy. So you know all very well. This one questions. It is from differential equations. If y equal to, so why I am giving this equation, I'll explain you. Y equal to root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. So what is dy by dx? The answer we have given, A is 2 cos theta. Okay. And so B is 2 secant theta. And so C is none. Okay. Answer D is, okay, you try with these three answers. Which one is correct? What is dy by dx? What is this? Anyone? Can you try? What is that? So you know very well the differentiation. It's very simple first order derivative. I'm asking. You can easily find out that answer. What is dy by dx? Anyone? Can you try? Option A, B, C. So many, okay, many of them immediately they choose one answer, or maybe cos theta or secant theta. So what is the answer here? Suppose if I give the another, anyone you know the answer of this? Yes. Okay, I will explain. The answer is none. What is the answer? Correct answer is dy by dx is 0 because the given function of theta. So what we done a mistake here, we are not analyzing the problem. Okay, immediately we try to find out what is the derivative. Okay, a few minutes if you see the problem, if you think of it that problem, we can get an answer. Okay, it is given in terms of theta. But what we do generally, whenever see the dy by dx, so immediately we start to differentiate with respect to x, and we'll try to, suppose if we are not trying to get any answer, we choose some answers from the given options. Okay, but what is that? that means we have to analyze the problem in mathematics. So in each and every problem, we have to spend few minutes to analyze the problem. Few minutes. Okay, by choose the answer, we have to analyze the problem, especially in the mathematics. Okay. Okay, right. So why I'm telling this, if you attend any competitive exams, the questions comes like that only. So in that case, many of the students immediately they start to try the problem. They start to uh, differentiate the y. But actually here what is given in terms of theta is given, but the question in terms of x. Okay. So the concept is we have to analyze. Okay, we have to think of it in problems. Okay, right. So here also I'm going to take the permutation combination concept related to the competitive exams. Okay, right. So you know this formulas. What is n factorial? That is very much important for this permutation combination. N factorial will be very well know n into n minus 1, n minus 2, and 3 into 2 into 1. And the NPR formula is n into n minus 1, n minus 2. I like that. So these are the formulas you know very well, right? So with this is the thing, you know what is 1 factorial, 2 factorial is 1 into 2, 3 factorial 1 into 3, 2 into 3, and 4 factorial, 5 factorial. So sometimes if you going to attend the exams, competitive exam, you should memorize these things, at least up to 8 factorials. Okay, we should know that. So then only we can easily find out the answer. Right. So the first concept, permutation. In the permutation, here one word. So how many ways the letter can be arranged? If the letter is non-repeated letter. So here the concept we are going to discuss non-repeated letters. Okay. Here we apply the this concept for the letters. Okay. So like that you can apply all the field. Suppose if you want to find out the combination of others, you see in the, you know very well, the RTO office, they give some registration number for the bike. So they use the combinations. Okay, they take 4-digit numbers and the combination they will give like the ATM password and checkbook number, everything. They are using the permutation combinations concept only. Okay, so to get the way different numbers. Okay, so that is suppose if you have the constraint, we have some particular objects. Okay, with that, suppose if you have only the 3 objects, how to find out the uh, how to arrange in a different ways. Okay, so that leads to the optimization. Okay, so we'll get the solutions by arranging the objects. Okay, it is, there are many applications. See here I'll teach you some few concept in the permutations. It very much helpful those who are going to attend the um, competitive exams. Okay, right. So here how many ways the letter can be arranged? First, non-repeated letter. I'll take the concept if the letters are non-repeated. Here, uh, T, T-E, the T, I'll take how many ways it is arranged. Okay, you know very well how many ways we can arrange that. So first we can write it as a T, A, E and A, T, E. Yeah. And AET, EAT, like that we can arrange. But how many ways we can arrange? We can solve by the permutation concept. So there are the 6 ways we can arrange the word, the 3-letter word. So it is a 3 factorial. Okay. So like that, Gabe, how many ways we can arrange the letters? The letters can be arranged 4 factorial ways. Okay. So see the first example, how we can arrange that. So like that, we can arrange this second one game. Okay. So yeah, I will maximize. Okay. Yes, it is a game. We can arrange a GAME one letter and AGME and MGAE. Like that, we can arrange it. So there are the 4 factorial ways we can arrange it as we get a 24. So the letter education. See here, all the letters are the non-repeated. Okay, and all the words as the non-repeated letters. Okay, it is the normal way we can arrange the letters for the non-repeated. In case see how many ways the letter can be arranged if the letters are repeated. Okay, so first see in the numerator. Okay, so see in the numerator we can, there are the 6 letters. Okay, if you see this little, in this word there are the 6 letters. So in the 6 letters we can write that in the numerator it is a 6 factorial. Okay, and the denominator you write how many letters are repeated how many times. Okay, the L repeated 2 times, you write 2 factorial in the denominator. T repeated 2 times, therefore it is a 2 factorial. Okay, so 6 factorial by 2 factorial into 2 factorial. And the next word, percentage. If the letters are repeated, how many letters are there? Okay, there are the 10 letters, so you write in the numerator it is a 10 factorial. In the denominator, how many letters are repeated? Okay, only the word E is repeated 3 times, so you write 3 factorial. So if you solve this, we get the answer. Okay. So like in this way, we can arrange the letter if it is repeated. Okay. Then general. See general, can you try anyone? What is how many letters are, how we can calculate this arrangement for the letter general, for the word general. Can you anyone try this? General.
7 factorial by 2 factorial.
7 factorial by 2 factorial. There are the 7 letters in general. Yes, very good. The 4 in numerator in the 7 factorial. And the letter E is repeated 2 times. So 7 factorial by 2 factorial. Good, very good, very good. Excellent. Yes, very good. So anyone try this next one? Aptitude. How many ways we can arrange this? It is simple problem. I hope it's very simple. All of you can try. Okay. Yes. How many letters are there? How many letters are there? There are 9 letters. Yes. 9 factorial by
2 factorial into 2 factorial.
Yes, that's all. Very good. Yeah, that's all. Okay. In this way, we can calculate, we can arrange the letters for the repeated letters. If any word has the repeated letters, we can calculate in this way for the arrangement. Right. The next one, how many ways the word can be arranged? Vowel comes together. Okay. Suppose if any word comes, the vowels are comes together. So vowels are, so in this, see this letter, there is a vowel U and E. Okay. So how many ways we can arrange? The condition is vowels comes together. Okay, so it is the example for the English letters. You can apply any field. Okay, suppose if you want to arrange the numbers for any security purpose. Okay, suppose if you want to arrange the numbers, the two numbers has to come together. You want to find out the combinations of all the numbers, but the condition has given definitely the two numbers comes together in all the password. Okay, so how many ways we can uh, generate the password? Okay, so here I have given the example of with the English letters. You can apply with your own field for many of the uh, security purpose. To arrange, we can arrange the password and passcode like that. Okay, yes, see, in this way there are the vowels are U and E. The conditions, every letter or every arrangements, the vowel has to come together, U and E. Well, first one we can write like that, D into D, U, E, J, G. So see this combinations, there is a vowels comes together. The next one, it is also vowels comes together. Here also the vowels comes together. Okay. So suppose it is easy. Manually, we can calculate this. But if you have any big uh, letters, big word with the many number of letters, how we can calculate? Okay. So for this, first you write the non-repeated the consonants. You write the consonants. Okay. So the consonants are J, D, G. Okay. Before that, you put the one dash. Okay. This is the shortcut to calculate. Okay. The arrangements. Okay. So before the consonants, you put the dash. First, you calculate how many the empty places are there. Okay, before and after the letters you put the dash. How many dashes are there? There are the four dash. You write the 4 factorial. How many vowels comes together? 2. So therefore write 2 factorial. You multiply this, we get the how many ways we can arrange with these conditions. We get the answer 48. So the concept is, if you want to arrange the number with the condition, vowel has come together. In this way, we can find out. Learn. This again, let's learn. See, in this, yeah. See, in this, the letter learn. Okay. First, write the consonants L, R, N. Then put the dash before and after. Then write the next in the bracket vowels. Because it has come together. Okay. So now you calculate how many dash are there or how many empty places are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you write the 4 factorial. How many vowels comes together? It is 2. So 2 factorial. So this way we can calculate. Okay. So the remaining words calculated like that only. So here like this. Okay. So we can because in the competitive exam, how fast we can find out the um, answer for the permutation and combination concepts. Okay. So another one is the word can be arranged, vowels comes together for the repeated letters. Okay. Sorry. For the repeated letters. Okay. So the same way for the repeated letters, we can arrange like that. Suppose if you take this word, okay. So here which word is repeated? Any repeated word is there in the first one? Yes. If you take the second one, there is a repetition. Yes. Okay. So here the same way we can find out the how many ways we can arrange it. Okay. So first you put the dash before and after the consonants. So there are remove the vowels. You write the vowels in the bracket, okay, IE, and place the dash before and after the consonants. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write the 5 factorial. How many vowels are there? 2. So write the 2 factorial. So here the letters are repeated. Therefore, you write in the denominator the repeated case. Already we discussed the previous concept. If a repeated letter has come, we put in the denominator. Okay, so how many letters are repeated? The S repeated 2 times. So you write the 2 factorial. So in this way, we can calculate it. Okay, this like this, we can find out the uh, combination of letters. Okay, how many ways we can arrange the letters. Okay, so in this way, we can find out. Okay, so here I am given this concept for the purpose of to attend the competitive exams by using the our discrete mathematics concepts. Okay, so there are plenty of applications are there. um, the discrete concept, okay, you can everywhere. Okay, even the graph theory, in the graph theory you can imagine, you can convert any problem into a graph. Graph is a structural model, okay, so you can convert into a graph, then we can find out the solution through the structural model. Okay, and logical and reasonings. So you know very well what is where we apply the logical reasoning. So everything, the discrete mathematics concepts are very much important in the computer application fields, even in the data science and artificial machine learnings. Okay, and the discrete mathematics concepts are very much important. Here, just I given the few concept. Okay, they remind there are plenty of concepts are there. You can refer. Due to the time constraint, I cannot explain more here. So with this, I will conclude my session. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll clear your doubts. Sir Mohan sir, shall I conclude, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity to share my views in the discrete mathematics concept. So if you have any doubts, you can ask me. I'll ready to clarify your doubts.
Students, you can ask your doubts.
Yes, if you have anybody have the doubt, you can ask me. So with this quote, so there is a quote, Kalpana Chawla, the path from dream to success does exist. May you have the vision to find it, the courage to get it, and the perseverance to follow it. Another great scientist, Dr. Abdul Kalam, APJ, given this quote, learning gives creativity. Okay. So we have to learn for the creativity. Creativity leads to the thinking. So whenever you start the creativity, that leads to thinking. Whenever you start the thinking, it provides the knowledge. So the knowledge makes you great. So finally, uh, the Virat Kohli has given one. Yeah, it is not visible. Okay. Anyway, with that I will come conclude. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask. So I hope you all clear. I'm very happy. There is no doubt.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
Sir,
ma'am.
Chitra, from the department mathematics. Sir. presentation, and it's very clear and neat presentation, sir. And then I think the students will have clearly explained what is permutation, combination, all the concepts. So it's went on very well, sir. You are taken the session very creatively. That's what I want to tell you. So nice presentation, sir. Thank you. I think the students are very happy about it. Students, if you have any doubt, you can ask him. He's on the platform. You can ask him. It's a chance for you to discuss with some external faculty member. Students, you can utilize the time.
Yes.
I think they don't have any doubt, it seems, sir. Mohan, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
You can proceed, sir. Then.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am. Sriram?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for your great lecture. We really value that. We really appreciate for your time to give us that lecture. As we have come to the end of this session, I would request some of students and the chief guest to turn on the camera so that we can take a picture of this session.
Yes. Yeah, a few minutes.
Kindly share your screen, sir. Students, on your video.
Students, please join with the. I request the students to join in this, please. Your program, please. Yeah, that's fine.
Students, others on your video. Anush Kumar. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Wait, sir, please. All right, sir, please wait. Over to Sriram.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Ms.B.Vasuki, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, to propose the vote of thanks.
Yes. Good evening to all. On behalf of our department, I take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks on this special occasion. First, I must thank our chief guest, Dr.I.Paulraj Jayasimman, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics, Academy of Maritime Education and Training, Chennai, for accepting our invitation and also for his wonderful talk about discrete mathematics, starting from the basic concepts. I express my sincere gratitude to the management for providing the opportunity to organize this lecture. We offer our sincere thanks to our principal sir and vice principal sir for permitting us to conduct this program in a grand manner. I would like to thank our head of the department, Madam Dr.S.Chitra, for her encouragement and moral support for conducting this program. I thank our Mathematics Club Association Coordinator, Madam Dr. V. Vijayalakshmi, and also Madam Dr. T. Isayarasi for their guidance to organize this lecture. I thank our department faculty members for their kind support in organizing this lecture. And I thank our student, Mr. Sriram of third year computer science for his perfect comparing throughout this seminar. I thank our beloved students of second year computer science engineering, information technology, artificial intelligence and data science and cyber security for their patience listening and learning. Once again, I thank you all.
Sorry to interrupt you, Vasuki ma'am. I think Dr. Tirupati sir is in the session from the beginning. Special gratitude to Tirupati sir.
Ma'am, thank you, madam. Thank you. I
Thank you,
heard you,
sir.
ma'am.
Thank you, sir.
Actually, I want
I
to.
thank.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. I want to say
Thank
something.
you, sir.
Actually, permutation computation is like very simple. Sir has explained wonderful, ma'am. Actually.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Wonderful, sir.
Thank you.
Actually.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You see, the mathematics is the way which we can learn. It is very easy, but why students are struggling? I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The way how we are taking, how we are handling is very important. Sir has taken
Yes, ma'am.
beginning itself. He has first he attracted all the students with some mathematical puzzles, and then he has taken all the students in a centered manner, and then he took to the subject. So that is why I wanted to tell you that special way of taking a class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you.
In my MSc second year, I also opted this open elective paper, this discrete mathematics.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Actually, due to time constraint, I cannot explain more this topic. There are plenty of
Yes,
concepts.
sir. You are explained wonderfully, sir. It's very simple to understand. Actually, it's
Yes, sir. Thank you,
yes,
sir.
very
Thank you,
easy,
sir.
sir. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Welcome, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Chitra, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Tirupati sir. Thank you for joining with us, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Vasing, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Sriram, you can conclude, and then Mogan.
Yeah, ma'am, we have come to the end of session. Uh, I would request our HOD of the Department Mathematics, Dr. S.Chitra, ma'am, to say some few words about the session.
Yeah. Before you introducing me, I already spoken all those things what I'm having in my mind, because it's very interesting, sir. Paulraj sir, I think I want to tell you, you have taken the class session in a very attractive way. That is what I wanted to say in this very simple way. You have said permutation, combination, a very big topic, but you have given way. A
Thank you.
nice presentation, sir. And I think students have been very much attracted. And
Yeah,
then we'll have some
yeah.
more like this, sir. We'll keep in touch with you, sir.
Yeah,
That is what.
sure, ma'am. Just I tap the student, just I motivate the student to involve this type
Yeah.
of problems. Yes, sir.
Yes. So thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you for
Thank you. Thank you for giving this
accepting our
opportunity.
invitation and
Yeah, thank you,
sure,
ma'am.
sir. It's and then very happy with be with you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank
Sure.
you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
I think Morgan, sir, shall we conclude?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is it ma'am and Vijayalakshmi ma'am? Shall we conclude?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sir, it's a very wonderful session, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for your nice words. Thank you all. Thank you for the organizers team. Thank you all. You are wonderfully organized this guest lecture. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Shall
Thank
I
you,
leave,
Tirupati,
sir?
sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Congratulations, Mohan sir and Vasuki ma'am. Wonderful